In today's video, I will tell you about the extension required for your Python journey on Visual Studio Code. If you are going to use Visual Studio Code for your Python programming, then you need to install all these extensions. So you have to click on this extension section and then you have to go and search for each and every. So search for Python, which is the primary one which you need, and you have to install this one, which is by Microsoft. You have to just click on the install button. I have already installed, so that is why it is showing uninstall. Another extension that you need is Pylons. And this is also by Microsoft. You need to install this as well. This is also a good extension that you will need throughout your journey. Another extension that you need is called auto docstring, which will generate docstring for your function. This is the one which is by Nils Werner, and you have to install it. Once it is installed, you have to move on to the next, which is Python. Before you install Python text installer, you have to install this Python indent, which will help you to ignore the indentation if you are making any mistake within that. So this will help you in that. So just click on install. If you wanted to work within the Jupyter notebook, which has the markdown cells as well, which looks like similar to this, then you have to search for the node Jupyter and then you have to click on it and then you can click on install. There are few more Jupyter notebook things that you need, which is the Jupyter notebook renderer, and you need to install this as well. If you want some more help within the Visual Studio Code Jupyter environment, then you need to install more one like previewer. You can get the slideshow or key maps, which will help you to write down the codes. If you are working on the website development one, then you have to go and search for Django, and which will give you a Django extension, which is this one, and you need to install this. In case you wanted to work on website one, then only you need this, otherwise you need not to install it. Another that we have is the GitLen, which is basically for working with the version of GitLab. So this is Git Superstars one, and you need to install this. Another extension that you will need is the Bandit. Band is text explorer one. This will run your, basically this will help you run everything for you, run your code, common security and vulnerability of your code. This will help you in that. This is the main extension that you need for this purpose. So these are the all extensions that you will need for your Python journey. So don't forget to install all these and set up everything on your Visual Studio Code.